Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today, I want to show you guys probably one of my favorites. Well, if you ask me, they're all my favorites. But definitely design-wise, one of my favorite shoes that I have. They're mids. They are the Jordan 1 mid all-over print logo. These came out May 1st, 2019. Retail $125. Yeah, retail, I think 125. No, retail 110. Resell the 12, size 12 resell for almost double, over double. They retail for 350. Yeah, resale for 350. So there's a huge resale. As you can tell, when designs like these come out, the resale on them is ridiculous, even if they are mids. But the shoes, they just got Jumpman 23 or Jumpman, just all the Jumpman Jordan prints 23 all over the shoe. And then you have this kind of red right here. You got the lime green, and then over here it splits, it alternates. So then the lime green comes over here. So it's pretty cool. Now, what I will say about the shoe is it's got the firm leather. I don't know the names of these leathers, but the leather here is firm. So as you can see, I've worn these, it creases easily. Unlike the other ones I have, they're softer, so they don't show the creases much. This leather is firm. So as you can tell, you can kind of see the wear right here. And then I'll probably do a video later of how I get creases out. I don't worry about creasing my shoes because there's a way you can iron them out with an iron. So I don't even worry about creasing them because I can just get them out. But I'll show you guys a video at some point of me getting rid of creases. But anyway, they crease easily, but again, don't really worry about all that. But and then right here, the Air Jordan is blue. So I mean, these are like super unique. The inside, if I show you guys, the inside, there you go, blue with that same color red here. And these are one of my favorites. And when I step out with these, people compliment me on the shoes for sure. There's also a signature. I'm not sure what this says, but it's in like cursive right here. Might be upside down. I don't know. But it's a cool shoe. It's a cool shoe. I love them. I like wearing these. These got some wear on them for sure. But yep, that's these, the overprint logos. Yeah, let me know what you think. And if you got any questions, hit me up. If you guys got any questions about the shoes or what you want to know about them, let me know, because I'm not sure what I should say about them. So I just kind of just show you. That's why these videos are quick. But anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes.